Today, let us design a hollow moving background image effects page like this one on the screen. As you can see, the image is moving through the hollow rectangular shapes. Hi, I am Josephine and you are welcome. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe and click on the like button below to receive more tutorials like this. Thank you. Without further ado, let's get started. On the blank PowerPoint slide, insert your desired image. Ensure the image is filling the slide. Then go to Insert again, Shapes, and choose a rectangular shape and draw it to cover the whole slide. Like this. Now go to Shapes again and select a rounded rectangle and draw it like this. Increase the curvature to maximum. Duplicate this rectangular shape 5 times. Reposition your shapes to be staggered. Reposition your shapes to be staggered like this on the screen. Then select all the shapes. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, and select Combine. Select the shapes again and the blue background and go back to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, and select Combine again. Right click on the blue background and select Format Shape and change the color to white. And select No Line. Now it's time to add animation. Click on the shape, go to Animation and click on Add Animation and select Motion Paths Line. Go to Effect Options, select Right and go to Start, select with Previous and change the duration to 10 seconds. Now add some text. Good, I've added some text. You can add whatever information you want to add for your slide. Before I put it on a slideshow, if this tutorial was helpful, kindly subscribe and click on the like button below. Now let's look at how our slide looks like. Good. So the image is moving through the hollow rounded rectangular shapes. If this tutorial was helpful, kindly subscribe and click on the like button below. Thank you for watching.